guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. And we are doing another food challenge video today, which I'm super excited about. And we are doing, मैंने बहुत सारे YouTubers को देख लिया ये करके, तो मेरे को था कि यार मेरे को करना है. So today we are doing the I eat food in alphabetical order challenge, where I am going to be eating food only in alphabetical order. Guys, a very important piece of information is that I am not going to be skipping any alphabet. I'm going to be eating food starting with all the letters, and I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video. My god, look at that morning glow. Guys, I just took a shower. I have a class now, so I'm gonna quickly show you what I'm eating. A very good morning, and we're starting our morning with apple. Let's start with something very basic, okay? B for bati, C for churma, and D for dal. Dal, bati, churma. For E, I'm eating an eggless cake. मम्मी ने बनाया. आज मैं बहुत सारा मीठा खाने वाली हूँ. जैसे कि आपने देखा, मैंने बहुत ही अमेजिंग लंच किया है, और लंच के बाद मैंने बहुत ही अमेजिंग केक खाया है. और अब इट्स टाइम फॉर द अल्फ़ाबेट F, और F से हम खाने वाले हैं. Oh my goodness, guys, F is for Ferrero Rocher. This one is ours.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
You not ready for this type of torture. Green tea is ready, and my mug says happiness is alone time, just me and my bed. So let's go to our bed. गिर जाती. Okay, then see you in a bit. Hide and seek, hide and seek.
आप लोग भी हाइड एंड सीक ऐसे खाते हो या आप नॉर्मल हो? एक्चुअली नहीं, अगर हाइड एंड सीक ऐसे नहीं खाते तो आप साइकोपैथ हो.
I have two options. या तो मैं जैगरी खा सकती हूँ, which is good, और या तो मैं जैम खा सकती हूँ. Let's seek help. Choose one. This one's for jaggery, so I'm gonna have jaggery. Guys, we found two little tiny pieces. Kirkland Signature Milk Chocolate. These are in flavor raisins, and oh my god, I love these. I'm gonna have like 4 of them for this challenge, not more. Let me show you guys. Look at this. We got 3. गुड़ के बाद chocolate खा रही हूँ. Wow. They melt in the mouth. I'm not even kidding, guys. They are so good. They have the same ones in the flavor almonds as well, and they're also a little bit bigger. Can you guys see? So we've reached the alphabet L, and मैंने बहुत कुछ सोचा था, जैसे लिम्का, जैसे लेमन सोडा वगैरह वगैरह, पर I have ended up with the one option which is lemon juice को already squeeze करके इसके अंदर रखते हैं, and then we just take drops of lemon juice. I think 7 are enough. This is the lemon juice. I'm not ready to put this thing in my mouth. Okay then. Sensitivity होगी यार दांतों में. Oh no. Ew.
Chills in my body.
Much later.
It's time for the alphabet M. और हम बनाने जा रहे हैं सबसे ज़्यादा आसान. गेस करो guys. M for Maggie. बनाएं? Yes, of course. Let's get into it.
I walk into my house because I want to make a guest with you. The home that is to make me happy. I know something is going to get done the way that I would do it myself.
मज़े आ रहे हैं मुझे ये चैलेंज करने में. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अब जो अल्फ़ाबेट है वो है N, और N से तो सबसे आसान गेस पता ही है सबको. I'm gonna have this. खोलते ही गुडनेस दिख रही है क्या? Get into my mouth.
लग गए 440 वोल्ट छूने से दर.
We are a cute love story. ओ से क्या आपने बोला? ओरियो? जी हाँ, हम खाने वाले हैं ओरियो. But we do not eat Oreos without. क्या आप लोगों को दिख रहा है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? नहीं दिख रहा होगा यार. ये ओरियो टूट गया. शिट. We open the Oreo. We look the cream. We wait for the cream in mouth, and we eat it all. Orgasms. Hi! Don't know how many portions of this video am I going to film in the kitchen, but we are back for the alphabet P, and P से start होते हुए मेरे पास है some roasted peanuts. Yeah. Let's have 5 of them. Not even close. Guys are sliding into your DMs like time for the alphabet Q. क्या आपको भी लगा था कि मुझे ये अल्फ़ाबेट का खाना नहीं मिलेगा? मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था, पर मेरे को आसानी से मिल गया. मैं बताऊँ क्या है? मैं बताऊँ. Dun-dun-dun! This is what happens when you're addicted to Cornitos instead of Doritos. I'm going to eat quinoa chips. Wonderful. Look how gorgeous this chip is. Casual ASMR dropping in 3, 2. They're so good. 3, 2, 1. Nice one. I'm so jealous of this woman. She's gonna eat these with the dip. Nice. How would a bunny eat nachos? I'm a bunny. क्या बदतमीजी आएगा. Quick nap and a lot of skincare later. It's time for dinner and let me show you what I am having. We have R for rice and S for Shahi Paneer.
12 o'clock midnight.
So for tea, I'm having Tutti Frutti. I love Tutti Frutti और मैं इसको सूखा कितना भी खा सकती हूँ. As you can see, ये बहुत ज़्यादा खाली हो चुकी है क्योंकि मैं इसको randomly ऐसे आते जाते. Who doesn't love Tutti Frutti? Like you. And trust me, when I say I went overboard for the alphabet, you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flavors of Unibic cookies. I love all 6 of them. Oh my god, I have food in my mouth. I should goof up. This one is choco nut cookies. My favorite fruit and nut cookies. Choco chip cookies. Honey oatmeal cookies. Butter cookies. And the last, pista badam cookies. For now, I am gonna eat my favorite fruit and nut cookies. For the letter V, vanilla iced latte. I've already added ice and milk. Added some sugar. This is how it looks. Add some water. अब इसको हम 40 seconds microwave में गर्म करेंगे. Alrighty, it's hot. Since we are specifically making vanilla iced latte, I like to add like 8 to 10 drops of vanilla essence to make it strong vanilla flavored.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And everybody, presenting to you my vanilla iced latte. I love it. पेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा भर गया है मेरा. I'm gonna puke now. I swear, any moment now. W is for very obvious. Wafy. पहले मैं सोचा था कि W for water पानी पी लेती हूँ. But no, actually, I can't decide which one should I go for. Should I go for this one or this one? I think I'll go with this one because it's easy और एक ही खाना पड़ेगा. Oh my god. I'm so full. awaited letter X. और मैं खाने वाली हूँ xylitol. It is a substitute for sugar. It is healthier and it is a natural sweetener. This is how it looks. It looks very much like sugar. It tastes minty and extremely cold. मुंह के अंदर, but it's nice. The Y is for yogurt. This is homemade. मम्मा ने इसको hung curd के साथ बनाया. मैं इतनी ज़्यादा full हूँ अभी इस moment में कि मेरे को लग रहा है कि the next meal I will eat will be on my deathbed. I'm so done with eating. She's such a bully, amen. In the middle of the night, you will not believe what I have with me. I'm gonna show you. Also, this face is because I was filming some Instagram content. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I'm going to eat, starting with the letter Z. I have here the Zinger burger. Woohoo! Look at that crisp. Are you ready? Cheers for completing the challenge. And look what we have. Thumbnail. How many fries are too many fries? Okay then guys, this was it for today's video. I changed into much more comfortable clothes and now I am very happy because I couldn't breathe in my jeans and my t-shirt. Oh my god, I've had so much food today. इतना खाना खा लिया मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे लाइफ का खाना हो गया. Anyway, oh my god, I'm still burping. Anyway, this was it for today's video and I really hope that you guys liked this video because I honestly ate a lot of food. I really enjoyed doing this video because I had a lot of choices to eat. Obviously मैंने end में थोड़ा सा cheating कर लिया पर I think बाद में खाना था, मतलब मैंने पहले ही जिंगर बर्गर खा लिया था और कोका कोला मैंने बाद में भी दी, तो मुझे लगता है कि it's okay, right? It's okay, right? You let me go, right? Please let me know if I pass this challenge or not, and like this video if you like this video. Give a big fat thumbs up so that this video can reach as many people as it can, and share the video if you really like it. Also, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and on the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post an update. Keep loving yourself guys because you deserve every little penny of love, and I love you guys so much. I will see you very soon. Till then, ta-ta.